Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. So I'm back with another DIY and today I'm going to show you how to make your own texture paint, and using that texture paint what else other than texture painting you can do. So on my English channel I'm going to show you how to give makeover to this pot using texture paint, and on my Hindi channel you can check out this makeover. I'm gonna paint on this MDF board using texture paint and then frame it in this frame. So let's begin. So before we go ahead, I have one important message. I have partnered with COVID India Task Force to raise funds and to support one of their causes, which is providing PPE kits and masks to frontline workers for Nair Hospital and Kasturba Hospital in Mumbai. So I'm gonna add the link in the description box. Please check out, donate whatever you can because every bit counts. So this is the time that you should come forward and help these corona warriors. So to make texture paint you will need white putty or white cement, POP, or if you don't have anything then you can use baby powder, and other than this you'll need white glue and piping bags and one object. It can be a photo frame or pot, canvas, any surface that you just want to transform. That's it. So in one part of this putty I'm gonna mix half part of glue and then I'm gonna give it a good mix. And to adjust the consistency you can add more glue if you want. So for this DIY, I made texture paint the same way I did for the first DIY, but this time it was thick as I had planned to do embossing. Then I took a MDF board, one spreader, stencil and a piping bag full of texture paint. So first I created a background using thick texture paint. first mistake. I should have mixed some color in this background texture paint, but I didn't. Later I realized that the background and the embossed part is blending and is not looking impressive. For embossing, I placed stencil on the MDF board and then using texture paint, I did the embossing. When I removed the stencil, everything looked fine. So I just went ahead and added few more details using piping bag. So my second mistake was not mixing any color in this texture paint that I used for embossing. It would have looked better if the color of embossed part was different, and that's when I made a blunder. I just went ahead and painted the entire painting and spoiled it. In an attempt to give it distress finish, I wiped the paint off the embossed part and actually ruined it more. Lesson learned, I won't make any video in haste now. Enjoy bloopers now. Wow. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching this DIY video, and that's all for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, watch either this video or this. Bye bye. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine.